we can work out an approximate route from here. So I'm going to go this way. No idea why, but let's go. None of the signs are saying the cathedral. Actually, I'm going to have to work out, is it a cathedral or is it a basilica? And what's the difference between the two? I'm not religious, you see, guys, so you'll have to excuse my ignorance with that. I just like the architecture. You think you're following the signs for the that building, and then you're not, because it turns out not to be where you think it is, and then where you think it is, it's not actually where it is. Oh well. I'm glad that when we do the city tours, that we will have a dedicated tour operator that understands the needs of a motorcycle, because he's a motorcyclist himself, and he will navigate us around Madrid and show us all the sights. So that will be fun. The basilica, I can see it, because it is a basilica, is to my right. Trying to find a way of getting right. I might be able to go right. I definitely can't go left, but I might be able to go right. So, should we try it? As I say, if we get lost, I don't care. I'm having fun. I mean, to be honest, who wouldn't have fun? It's Barcelona, guys. It is stunning. Yep, I can go right, so I'm going to go right, and we'll go and have a look. Large variety of bikes and scooters, and it's great to see. Diversity is what it's all about. As I've said many times, I would hate everybody to have a K1600, because it's only for the special. As you see, large scooters, small scooters. They love their two wheels. And who can complain about that? Because I'll tell you something, I can't. What I have decided to do is I cannot find the hell where we're going, so I'm going to give up. Well, small motorbikes, small scooters, big scooters. The love affair with two wheels. I could live in Barcelona, but I'm not going to, because Cadiz is much better for me. Man, an intersection with no traffic control. The Spanish like to live dangerously. Now this one has traffic control, so I wonder what the difference is. Who knows? Now the alarm, it's not me. I haven't done anything. I think it's that little Seat. They left a dog in the car, or somebody in the car, and the alarm's going off. We've got no idea how to turn it off. That's better. Sam is going to need a real good wash. She needs a lot of TLC. She went through the Austrian Alps, the Swiss Alps, the French Alps. I've gone through so many Alps, it's ridiculous. I went through all the Alps, and I think I want to stay away from any form of Alps now. I'll just stay in the sun.